Alert! You won't believe how IKEA's autumn lineup is shaking up home decor on a shoestring budget. Whether you're moving into your first college dorm or styling a multi-million-dollar estate, these 7 fresh finds from the Swedish furniture giant prove that clever design need not cost a fortune. But here's where it gets controversial. Some shoppers argue these budget pieces rival much pricier boutique brands. Do you think they're spot on or wildly optimistic? And this is the part most people miss. Beyond looks, each item is engineered to solve everyday clutter and storage headaches, even for design novices. Before we dive in, a quick note. All recommendations here come straight from our experts and experienced IKEA shoppers. No affiliate links, no hidden commissions, just honest opinions. Now let's explore what's new on the shelves. 1. The SÅGMÄSTARE Cabinet in light grey blue. 32 3/4 by 14 1/4 by 50 1/4. Priced at $99.99, is a masterclass in understated style. Picture Serena Lilly's coastal chic cabinets, but at a fraction of the cost. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated metal, it takes roughly an hour to assemble with common household tools. Beginners will appreciate the clear instructions and the way this narrow piece tucks perfectly into a small bedroom corner or home office. One satisfied buyer raves, "It feels durable," and those little design flourishes give it genuine elegance. If you crave simplicity with hidden benefits, meet the MANDAL Headboard in Birch and White for $200. This minimalist marvel transforms your bed into a compact nightstand. Slide in your current mattress and suddenly you have cubbyholes for books, glasses, or your phone. Pair it with a matching MANDAL bed frame to complete a cohesive bedroom set. For first-timers unfamiliar with IKEA's modular approach, think of it like adding built-in shelves to your headboard. No drill required. 3. Halloween lovers, brace yourselves. The KUSTFYR Throw in white and black ghost motifs is available for just $19.99. Don't let the festive pattern fool you. This blanket is soft, warm, and surprisingly versatile. One fan admitted, "I braced for a gimmicky seasonal item, but it's top quality, cozy, and functional long after October ends." Use it to drape over a sofa or to add a playful accent to a guest bed. 4. On the tableware front, IKEA's FÄRGKLAR 18-piece dinnerware set in light pink, $59.99, is a delicate balance of modern and rustic. Beginners often worry about mixing and matching plates. This collection solves that by offering both a matte, handmade-looking glaze and an optional glossy finish. Perfect for entertaining or elevating weeknight dinners, each piece is dishwasher safe and built to stand up to daily use. 5. Never underestimate the power of a statement pillow. The 20 by 20-inch NATTHÄGER Cushion in blue tiger print, $17.99, is marketed as a children's item, but its vibrant pattern and soft fabric make it a standout in any living room or eclectic reading nook. Parents praise it as a bedtime bribe. Young kids clutch it like a security buddy, while design-savvy adults love how it injects personality into a neutral sofa. 6. For fridge organization, the KLIPPKAKTUS set of 3 clear storage boxes, $7.99, is a revelation. These stackable, dishwasher-safe containers fit neatly on your refrigerator door, freeing up shelf space and making leftovers instantly visible. If you're new to maximizing vertical storage, think of these boxes as little drawers that keep condiments, cheeses, and snacks from getting lost in the back. 7. Finally, upgrade your bedding with the BJÖRKGRÅMAL Duvet cover and pillowcase in black and white dot, $39.99 for a king. IKEA's linens have earned a reputation for softness and longevity. A customer's son used his set for 5 years before it finally wore out. The bold, dotted pattern adds graphic interest, while the high thread count feel ensures a dreamy night's sleep. And here's a bonus for those hungry for more insider info. We've also broken down IKEA's upcoming store-wide changes and the new rewards program. so you can shop smarter. But what about you? Is IKEA truly revolutionizing affordable home design, or are these just repackaged classics? Which piece do you have your eye on? Do you love the tiger cushion's whimsy, or the streamlined metal cabinet's practicality? Share your thoughts and ignite the debate in the comments below.